Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S23 FE, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this device. So to get started, you want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my screen. Just make sure that whatever you want to capture is actually visible on your screen. From there, hold your power button and volume down, or more precisely just press them at the same time. This will give you this border flash and then a pop-up at the bottom with share, edit, or tag and edit options, which it does disappear after a moment. Once it does so, you can go into your gallery application and we can navigate to albums, where you'll find screenshot album, and in here you'll find all the screenshots that you have captured over the time of using your device. So here's the one that I have just captured. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.